Today I'm going to talk to you about a program called GIMP. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. And it's what we use at school, and it's what I use constantly. And essentially what it is free Photoshop. It isn't Photoshop. It's not quite as good as Photoshop, but Photoshop is hundreds of dollars and GIMP is free. So what I'd like you to do is consider downloading it at home. Don't download it if your parents don't want you to. I completely respect their wishes. It's their computer and it's their choice. However, if you want, you can tell them that we use it at school, and the IT department, which is very particular about what we put on our school computers, gave it the okay, and we've used it for a couple of years without any problems. So, and I use it on all of my computers at home and have not had any problems with it. So let me just tell you how to go ahead and find it, if it's okay for you to download it. What I would do is go to Google and just type in download.com. Download.com is a legitimate site. It's run by CNET.com, which is a very legitimate company. And just where it says search CNET, depending on if you have Mac software or if you have Windows software, because it's on Mac and Windows, just type in GIMP, G-I-M-P, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, it says here GIMP 2.6. I know there's a GIMP 2.8 now. There it is, version 2.8 GIMP. And let's see, notice here that it has 3,118,000 downloads. So, 3 million people can't be wrong, can they? So let's go and download it. So what you're going to do is click right here where it says download. And if you have a computer like mine, you'll have something that comes up at the bottom here. And generally speaking, what I'll do is I will run it. And so I'll just click on run. And as you can see, again down here, oops, at the very bottom of my screen, it's downloading and it's running a security scan, and it's probably not going to find anything wrong with it. But of course, my computer's asking me if it's okay for me to do it, so just 1 second here. All is well. Alright, so the first thing it's going to ask you is what language you want. If you'd like to have it in another language like Slovenian, you can, but I'm going to just choose English. And just click on install. Now I already have 2.6, but since this is the newest version, I'm going to download this one. Let's see how surprised I am by the difference in the interface. Hopefully not very surprised, but you never know. As you can see, it downloads pretty quickly. It's not a very large file. It's not going to take up a huge amount of space on your computer, but it is downloading all of the things that it uses to help create amazing things. GIMP is a great photo manipulation program. It's a great photo enhancing program. It's a great image repairing program. So if you have an image with cracks or scratches or anything like that, it's fantastic for fixing it up. Why pay somebody a lot of money for something that you can do yourself? Okay, so I'm going to click on finish, close this, and it doesn't look like GIMP's going to open by itself. So I'll just go here to all programs. Well, here it says GIMP 2. Let's click on it, see what happens. There we go. And there we have it. This is GIMP. Looks a little bit different than what I'm used to, but I'm sure I'll get over it. All the tools look the same. This is where you would put the picture, and these are where you're going to see your layers, and we will talk all about that as we go on. But for right now, just having GIMP on your computer is a good thing, and it's a good step to helping you be able to control what kind of pictures or what you want to do with the pictures that you like.